honey, please.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh, Emily, come on, go break some more. Hurry, hurry. They're all breaking. He just thinks that's hilarious.
Good job, Hudson. Get that one.
Oh, Emily.
That one had a pimple.
No more at me, please. Okay. Yay, Hudson.
Hudson, throw it at Emmy.
Get it on Emily.
I got you.
Right on her hiney.
Are you getting my answer?
Wow. Whoa, whoa, that was like indestructible.
Look at you.
Throw it at your auntie.
Get it, Hudson. Here, Hudson.
Oh, darn it. Wait, there's one more over here.
I think you should crack it on your head. Oh, it popped.
Well, there's more. We could just do one and pop it on her head.